I'm going to save you from making the biggest mistake I see distressed properties owners make right before they sell. This mistake here cost one of my clients $23,000. Peter inherited a duplex. It was draining him. He was dealing with problem tenants, overwhelmed with the deferred maintenance. He was losing sleep and money. A horrible combination. So he was ready to sell. But first he thought, let me stop making repairs. Why spend money on a property I'm about to dump? Sound logical, right? Wrong. Bad move. Here's what happened. After 6 months of neglect, the small problems became major issues. I mean, like the leaky faucet became water damage. The minor structural issues with the front porch became a building code violation. That property deteriorated fast. By the time I met him, he didn't want to lift a finger. He didn't want to spend another penny in that property. He was finally done. When we finally listed, buyers saw a disaster. The property could have sold at least $78,000 with some minor updates. But instead, we finally sold it for $55,000. Those neglects cost him $23,000 in sale price. Here's what really hurts. He had already spent 6 months stressed, losing money, not moving forward with his life. And then he had to take that hit. Here's what I wish someone had told Peter, and I'm telling you now. If you're selling, make strategic investment to maximize your exit. I'm not talking about full renovation. I mean strategic fixes that will protect value and remove the common buyer objections. Fix the visible problems. Stop any active deterioration. Make the property showable, because every dollar you don't spend avoiding problems could cost you $3 to $5 in reduced sale price. You're not wasting money on a property you're leaving. You're protecting the equity you're trying to recover. So before you list that distressed property, talk to someone who knows Cleveland investment sales. Get a strategic plan. Determine what fixes actually matters, which one adds value versus just stopping the bleeding. Because sometimes it's $2,000 in repairs that protect $15,000 in sale price. Sometimes it's cleaning and staging. And sometimes you sell it as is, but you price it right. Whatever you do, don't make Peter's mistake. Don't let frustration and burnout cost you tens and thousands of dollars right at the finish line. Hey, you've carried the property this far. Let's make sure you get every dollar out of it that you deserve.